Namaste students, myself Vishnu Samotia, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Program BSc BR 6M, Session Dihydric Alcohols and Nomenclature. Now we discuss dihydric alcohol. These compounds contain two hydroxyl OH groups in a molecule. These are dihydroxyl compound of alkanes. Their general formula is CnH2n plus 2O2. The simplest and most important dihydric alcohol is ethynyl glycol. They are classified as alpha, beta, gamma glycols according to the relative position of two hydroxy groups. That is alpha is 1,2-diol glycol and beta is 1,3 glycol and gamma is 1,4 glycol. For examples, 1,2 glycol and 1,3 glycol are given below. Now, nomenclature of dihydric alcohol. For naming polyhydric alcohols, the names of the alkane is related and ending E is not dropped but added and dry or tri and tetra prefix to the all are suffix. Thus, dihydric alcohol are named as alkane diols and trihydric alcohols are named as alkenes triols. Clear? For examples, eth 1,2-diol, trans 1,2-cyclobutane diols and 2,4-pentane diols. Clear? Examples are given below. Next, method of preparation. The method of preparation of dihydric alcohol are prepared by following different methods. First method and preparation are form ethylene. Ethylene react with alkaline solution of Beer's reagents. Alkene react with dilute KMnO4, convert to syn hydroxylation and 1,2-diol product. And alkene react with carboxylic acid RCOH, convert to epoxide and epoxide are a hydrolysis in basic medium convert to anti-hydroxylation. Next reaction are with O2 in the presence of Ag. In Ag catalyst, alkene react with oxygen, convert to epoxide, and in the presence of water and in the presence of water and dilute HCl, convert to 1,2-diols. Next, with HOCl followed by hydrolysis. Alkene react with HOCl and hydrolysis convert to 1,2-diols product for 1,2-dibromoethene. 1,2-dibromoethene react with Na2CO3 and water convert to 1,2-diols and 2NaBr plus CO2. And 1,2-dibromoethene react with CH3COOK convert to CS2 CH2 COOCH3 and COOCH3 react with NaOH convert to 1,2-diol CH2OH CH2OH in the preparation of 1,2-diol. Next lectures are chemicals reactions of 1,2-diols. Okay, so method and preparation are with O2 in the presence of Ag, with HOCl followed by hydrolysis from 1,2-dibromoethane and dilute KMnO4s या Beer's reagents. Okay, thank you.